Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Windows update error. Something went wrong. Try to reopen settings later. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down, select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon. Right click on the zip file and select extract all. Select extract. And now you just need to install this setup. Select yes, select OK, select next, select I accept the argument and select next, select next, select next, select install. Select the finish option. And now you just need to select a stop Windows updates option. Just close stuff here. Select restore Windows updates. Now you just need to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. You just need to scroll down to the bottom and find Windows Update Service. Just right click on it and select restart. And now just to close stuff here and go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it. Select the retry option and now your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.